Hi, welcome back to the
channel. Today we are exploring the top 5 steam cleaners that can transform your cleaning routine. Starting off at number 5, we have the steam cleaner high pressure and temperature sterilization. This compact and powerful handheld cleaner is designed for efficiency. It features a powerful 2500 watt heating element that produces high pressure steam, so you can easily tackle tough stain and eliminate germs. Speaking of germs, this steam cleaner kills 99.9% of bacteria, making it ideal for sanitizing everything from kitchen tools to baby bottles. Plus, its extended power cord and steam hose mean you can operate it comfortably without staining your bag. With 6 adjustable steam settings, you can customize the steam output based on your cleaning needs. And this steam cleaner has an impressive 4.7 star rating and has sold over 1000 units. Customers love how effective and easy it is to use, making it a top choice for both quick cleanups and thorough sanitizing. Next up at number 4, we have the home appliance steam cleaner. This versatile model works with both 110 volt and 220 volt outlets, so you can use it anywhere. It heats up in just 20 seconds and boosts a powerful output of up to 2600 watt, making it ideal for quick cleanups. With a extreme temperature that reaches up to 115 degrees Celsius, it tackles even the toughest strain with ease. One standout feature is its adjustable water intake, allowing you to control the steam output based on your cleaning needs, whether you are refreshing upholstery or deep cleaning kitchen surface. Plus, it comes with a variety of attachments from a scrubbing brush to a precision nozzle, making it a true all-in-one solution for your home. Now let's on to our third pick, the 3000 watt high pressure and temperature steam cleaner. This handheld cleaner is perfect for both home and commercial use. With a powerful 3000 watt motor, it delivers exceptional steam cleaning capabilities. It is designed for wet and dry applications, which means you can use it for a variety of cleaning tasks. Plus, its compact size makes it easy to store without sacrificing performance. What sets this model apart is its ability to clean deeply while being gentle on surfaces. So, you can use it on everything from delicate fabrics to tough outdoor furniture without worry. It also features a range of attachments, including a steam mop head and various brushes, enhancing its versatility for multiple cleaning scenarios from carpet to car interior. Coming number 2, we have the canister steam cleaner generator. This is an excellent choice for those who need a heavy-duty cleaner. It operates at temperature over 100 degrees Celsius and can continuously clean for up to 60 minutes on a full tank. And the ABS insulation provides safety and durability, so you can clean with a peace of mind. With its powerful steam output, it's perfect for removing tough grease and dirt from a variety of surfaces. One of the best features of its quadruple protection system, which includes an automatic shut-off to prevent overheating, and it's great for those longer cleaning sessions. The ergonomic design means you can maneuver it easily, and the large water tank minimizes the need for frequent refills, allowing you. And finally, our top pick, the 3800 watt high pressure and high temperature steam cleaner. This machine is truly a game changer for any cleaning arsenal. With an impressive 3800 watt steam power, it generates high pressure steam that penetrates deep into surfaces, making it perfect for taking stubborn grime and allowed sand. It has a water storage alarm to prevent overheating, ensuring the machine runs safely and efficiently. Weighing in at just 10 kg, it's portable and easy to move from room to room, so you can clean everywhere you need without breaking a sweat. One of the standout features is its extended steam duration of over 30 minutes. This means you can tackle larger areas like a whole room or vehicles without needing to stop and refill. It's also highly versatile, ideal for cleaning everything from upholstery and carpets to kitchen appliances and even air conditioners. The ergonomic design and easy-to-use control make it accessible for anyone from cleaning novices to seasoned pros. Now, if you want to know more about these products or explore similar options, be sure to click on the link in the video description and the pinned comment below. You will find all the details you need to make an informed choice and even purchase them. If you are ready to upgrade your cleaning game, Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you next time.